Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video of today's channel. So I have already uploaded a lot of videos about Luna 2.0. So this is just going to be another video about Luna since it has been launched. A lot of people have been investing in Luna 2.0, and it could be possible that it is just another scam coin. So we are going to look at this article by the blog crypto.com, and we are going to analyze it in many different ways in different videos so that you get a complete insight about what's going on with Luna. So as you can see that the previous Luna, it was completely devastated somehow by malfunctioning printing of the UST. I think it was completely planned. Things like that do not happen themselves. They have to be planned by someone. So Terra gets second life as a new blockchain goes live. So what they have done is they have just simply created another blockchain that will help them create this another Luna. So what's the quick take? Terra 2.0 has launched today, this time without any algorithmic stablecoin. So previously they were having algorithmic UST, which they claimed that there was a fault in the algorithm, that the algorithm did all that real machine printing of the UST. So this time they are saying that this 2.0 is not having any kind of algorithm. As a part of transition to 2.0, new Luna tokens have been airdropped. There were a lot of airdrops in the different channels I have been noticing. So Terra's blockchain was launched today at 6 a.m. and now it is generating blocks according to the Terraform's Lab CEO Kwon. The new chain aims to revive the Terra ecosystem after its UST stablecoin imploded a couple of weeks ago. The collapsed Terra wiped out 40 billion in the market value. Well, I think it's not a bad idea to say that the wipe out of these 40 billions dollars was just another kind of scam. It's quite possible that it was something like that. So following the fiasco, let's leave that. So before today's launch, the governance voted to change the name of its original network to Tera Classic. So when you publish a shit coin, you just do a shit project. Then after that, what you do is just change the name and come back again to the same people. And I'm pretty sure the same people who got their money direct, they are going to invest once again in the same thing. So now instead of LUNA, it's LUNC, Luna Classic. So in order to position the newly 2.0, the main network, unlike its predecessor, the new Terra chain exists without any algorithmic stablecoin and comes with Luna that have fixed total supply of 1 billion tokens. So these 2.0 trade separately from the original Luna Classic tokens, whose supply amount to be more than 6.5 trillion. That was too much of light. The most noteworthy aspect of today's launch is the airdrop of new Luna coins to Terra stakeholders. On the Classic chain, they have been earmarked to receive 700 million of total Luna 2.0 supply. The amount of Luna 2.0 each person gets vary depending on whether who token holds for USD. Okay. After launch, either through centralized exchanges or Terra's own website, several crypto exchanges including Binance, Huobi, Kraken, so they were letting Terra supporters receive their allocated token from their platforms. Still, not all of the airdrops have been claimed at launch. Only 30% of the initial supply can be immediately claimed. The remaining 70% airdrop amount has staked directly with the validators to ensure network. So, well, besides 700 million Luna tokens divided among to above investor categories, Terra's community pool and on-chain treasury fund is set to receive 30%, or let's say 300 million of Luna on Terra 2.0. Above two commercial. The community pool is controlled by Terra governance to fund development activities of the total pool amount. 30 million are assigned to developers who decided to remain and rebuild new Terra chain according to the earlier announcement. So this was about the Terra Luna. Now if we just go to the trading view and I want to look at its, let's say, its chart. So it's, I would type LUNC instead of Luna. So let's do Terra Classic. So it is not on Binance yet. You can buy it on KuCoin. Well, there you go. Not anything surprising. This was very expected of. That was very expected move, I think. Let me just write it down. Luna 2.0. So what happened was that this Luna, it launched at 3.12, and currently it immediately dropped in one day. So let's say check how much did it drop by percentage after the launch price. So from the launch price to the lowest price, it immediately went down 52% upon the launch. However, currently it is trading 25% in recovery, but that is not a surprise. If you look at the candles, if you look at the volume candles, you will see that they tell you another different story. This shows that there was a huge sell-off. Then at the same time, you see this big volume candle, which is almost equivalent to this one candle. However, this was not able to push the price much higher than it should have pushed. So that's not something I would be happy at. That's something that concerned me about Luna 2.0 as well. So there's not much to talk about Luna. I have read an article complete in front of you. So this is it. I think this is where we should end the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. If you liked the video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.